Hello, good evening, my pretty and lovely ladies. Welcome to Kalamadil Live Show. I'm Radhika. Today, I'm here with a lovely and all of our favorite lightweight collection, that is all mix fancy sarees at flat 30%. So interesting, right? So, are you ready to start with our new collection today? Yes, I'm very excited to show today's collection. And before that, let me explain how to shop with Kalamadil. In the description, we are providing all the saree codes. Just click on your favorite saree code. It will take to our website. From there, you can shop very easily. Number 2, which is the very simplest way. While I'm showcasing the sarees, just take a screenshot along with the code and share us on the number 9852985299. All over India, shipping process, it's free and cash on delivery option is also available. So let's begin without any late and let me talk about the beautiful saree which I have draped now. It's a pure crepe saree with digital floral print and also stone work embedded, implemented throughout the saree. Very beautiful, and we have got digital floral print also throughout the saree. And here comes the border, stonework border and the same saree body print carried towards the border and which includes stonework border. Pallu, same like saree and that's the border, stonework border running around the pallu. So this saree is paid up with the self color running blouse, we can say, along with this stonework, but print pattern is slightly different. So let me showcase cost details of the saree. Saree code it's CA336. Actual price is 3,250. Offer price is 2,280 only. So reasonable price, ladies. So very lightweight crepe saree, designer saree we can say. It has got a different pattern. So let me showcase one more crepe saree from today's all mix fancy saree collection. So this is a very lovely sea green and a blue shade mix one. Multicolor. All over body we have got floral print and also this diamond print. Very beautiful body design, stones also embedded throughout the body. And here comes the border, stonework border and the same body print carried towards the border, but we have got this stonework border. Pallu, same like saree with stones and that stonework border running around the pallu. Chala beautiful. And so here comes the blouse. Self color blouse andi, but print pattern koncham different ga undi florals tho, alage stonework border icharu. So ee saree code and pricing details chudam. Saree code CA339, price 3,250, offer price 2,280 andi. So after 30% of discount, you can avail it 2,280. So how is the collection andi? Crepe sarees, very slippery and very lightweight, of course, very smooth fabric. So one more different crepe saree chustunam. It's a grey and black color mix. Chala baundi saree. All over body we have got this floral print, digital floral print along with this stone work. And this is the stone work border, very cute, and pallu same like saree, but that border it is running around the pallu. This is the pallu design. So let's check blouse for this saree. So self color blouse, but we have got a different kind of pattern print along with this stonework border. Let's check pricing details of this crepe saree. Saree code it's a CA342. Actual price 3,250. Offer price 2,280 only. So today our collection is all mixed fancy sarees at flat 30%. So shipping process it's free all over the India, beautifuls, and also cash on delivery option is also available. Let's move on to another crepe saree. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this design. It is very trendy, geometric and floral pattern mix print, completely implemented throughout the saree. stunning navy blue, black and multi-shade mix we can say. And it has got abstract design throughout the body with stones embedded. And that's the border, stonework border. Pallu, same like sari, we have got a floral and also a geometric print. And let's check blouse for the sari. Very beautiful blouse. So it's a self color blouse with multicolor floral print along with stonework border. So let's check pricing details. Sari code CA337, actual price 3,250 and offer price 2,280 for this crepe sari. So let's check one more multicolor shade crepe sari. Wow, very beautiful and different. This is also multicolor, but these color combinations are very different. We have got lavender, pink, grey, base color. All over body digital floral print. And also stonework embedded throughout the sari. And that's the border, stonework border, very cute and small, simple to carry. Let's check pallu for this sari. It's with the digital floral print, same like sari, and with stones embedded, and that border, stones border running around the pallu. Let's check blouse for the sari. So this is also a multicolor blouse with rose floral print along with this stonework border. Very nice combination, right? Yes, let's check pricing details of the sari. Sari code is CA343, actual price 3,250, offer price 2,280 only. So final price is 2,280 beautifuls. So to purchase, just take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. So let's move on to the next crepe sari. Wow, I love this combination. It's a coffee color and also black mix one. It's a light coffee and dark coffee mix shade. All over body we have got huge digital rose floral print and also stones embedded throughout the sari. Very cool and pleasant design with stones embedded. That's the stonework border, very small and cute pretty border. And let's check pallu. It's same like sari with print and also stones embedded, very rich looking. So let's check blouse for this. So it's a printed blouse along with stonework border. Let's see pricing details of the sari. Sari code, it's CA341, actual price 3,250, offer price 2,280. So hi Kranti Bhaskar garu, good evening Andi, welcome to Kalamandir live show. So today I'm going to showcase all mixed fancy saris at flat 30%, so don't miss this collection. So we are coming across a lot of fabrics in all mixed fancy saris, so don't miss. Wow, this is another crepe sari. It's a pista green and navy blue color combination. A dark green also included. All over body digital floral print and also stones embedded running throughout the sari. So let's check border. It's a stonework border. Pallu. Digital floral print pallu, same like sari with stones embedded and also this thick stonework running around the pallu. So Shilpi Singaru, hi Andy, welcome to Kalamandir live show. So how is the collection today? So I have started with a crepe sari collection in today's all mixed fancy saris. So here is the blouse for this sari. It's a dark contrast one with floral print along with this border. So let's check pricing details of the sari. Sari code, it's CA340, actual price 3,250, offer price 2,280 only. So we have few more crepe saris, and before going that, have a look at this video which explains how to follow Kalamandir on our digital media platforms. Meanwhile, I'll take a short break and we'll be back soon.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Welcome back beautifuls. Let me showcase one more crepe saree in today's all mix fancy sarees. So this is also a beautiful shade mix. Here you can see that's lavender color, black color, dark green color mix, grey color also there. All over body we have got digital floral print. It's a pure crepe saree and stones embroidered running throughout the saree, and thus the stonework border. Very pretty and cute. And pallu, same like saree with digital floral print and also stonework border. So let's check blouse for this. It's a dark black color one with digital floral print along with the stonework border. Let's check pricing details of the saree. Saree code, it's CA344. Actual price 3,250. Offer price 2,280 only. So Kanti Braskar Garu saying awesome collection. Thank you dear, and welcome to Kalamandir live shows. Today we have a lot of fancy sarees collection. It's a all mix fancy saree collection at flat 30%. And this offer is valid for 24 hours only, and that too applicable to online viewers only. So grab your favorite saree within 24 hours. And in case if you miss this live video, don't worry beautifuls. The same video is available on our IGTV Instagram and also on Facebook and YouTube. So post this live show, you can follow there and grab your favorite saree. Moving on to the next saree. This is a beautiful shimmer chiffon saree, crepe chiffon with sequence work. This is the crepe chiffon saree with sequence work. All over body we have got sequence work and also polka dots, contrast polka dots running throughout the saree. And here comes this piping border, contrast piping border. Pallu, same like saree with sequence work, polka dots and also beautiful finishing with tassels. Let's check blouse for this. So it's a contrast blouse with sequence work, and this sequence work, it is running around the neck also. Let me showcase clearly. So have a close look at this blouse. So this is the neck design. The sequence work is running around the neck. So let's check pricing details of this chiffon crepe saree. Saree code BV240, actual price 2,650, offer price 1,860 only. After 30% of discount, you can avail it 1860 only. So in the same pattern, crepe chiffon sarees with sequence work, we have got a few more colors. Let me showcase. Wow, it's a black and white combination. So how many of you like this combination? It's a white and black, all over body polka dots and also the sequence work, heavy sequence work. And this the piping contrast border. Pallu, same like saree with sequence work and also polka dots. So here is the blouse, contrast blouse with sequence work. So this is around the neck, the sequence work is around the neck. So let's have a code and pricing details of the saree. Saree code BV241. Actual price 2,650, offer price 1,860 only. So hello Udayan Garu, welcome to Kalamandir. So today we are showcasing all mixed fancy saree collection at flat 30%. By the way, how is the collection? Beautiful, right? So till now we have showcased crepe sarees. Now we are showcasing crepe chiffon sarees with sequence work. So here comes a white and purple color combination. All over body we have got polka dots and also sequence work. That's the border with piping. Pallu, same like sari with sequins and polka dots and this piping border running around the pallu. So let's check blouse for the sari. So this is the blouse design. So for blouse, the sequence work, it is running around the neck. See, this is the blouse design exactly. It's a contrast one. Very beautiful combination, no? So it's a party wear sari. Sari code BV238. Actual price 2,650. Offer price 1,860 only. Let's moving on to the next beautiful sari. So off-white and orange color combination sari. Very beautiful. All over body we have got this polka dots and also sequins work. So that's the border, piping border. Pallu, same like sari with sequins work and also polka dots. So here is the blouse. It's a contrast blouse with sequins work running around the neck. It's a heavy sequins work. So let me showcase cost and pricing details. Sari code BV239, actual price 2,650, offer price 1,860 only. So Rajni Radha garu, welcome to Kala Mandir. Hi Andy. So today we are showcasing all mixed fancy sari collection. Let's move on to the next beautiful sari here. By the way, how is the collection beautiful? So here is one more fabric in all mixed fancy saris. It's a tissue sari. It's a Benares tissue with thread work. All over body we have got this floral bouquets, and these florals are highlighted with silver color stones and also gold color stones throughout the sari. And that's the border, tissue border, silver zari tissue border. Pallu, tissue pallu andi with florals, stone florals. So floral design with stones. So let's check blouse for this. It's a tissue blouse, silver zari tissue blouse with stones florals. That's a beautiful blouse design. It's a beautiful cream color sari. The sari code is BX195, actual price 3,550 and offer price is 2,490 only. So to purchase, just take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. So same in the same pattern, let me showcase a few more colors. So till now we have covered crepe saris. So here is the beautiful color andi. It's a pista green grey mix shade tissue sari, Banarasi tissue sari, light blue shade. All over body we have got floral zal, thread weaving zal, and these florals are highlighted with stones then. And that's the tissue khadi border. Pallu also zari stripes border with stone florals. So here is the blouse, grey color blouse with zari stripes along with these stone florals. These stone florals came for this hands. So you can customize this in your own style. This sari code is BX189, actual price 3,550, offer price 2,490 only. So to purchase, just take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. So let me showcase one more lovely color and all of our favorite color in this Banarasi tissue saris with thread work. Very light blue color shade, so pretty. All over body we have got floral zal in thread work, and also these florals are highlighted with stones, both gold and silver stones. And this is the tissue border, silver zari tissue border. Pallu, zari tissue pallu with stone florals work. Very different pallu design. So here comes the blouse. Zari stripes blouse along with this stone florals for hands. So let's check pricing details. Sari code BX188. Actual price 3,550. Offer price 2,490 only. So let me showcase one more color in this. So how is the collection, beautifuls? We are showcasing all mixed fancy sarees at flat 30%. Don't miss this offer. This offer is valid for 24 hours only, and that too applicable to online viewers only. So ask me your favorite color and ask me your favorite pattern. I'm going to showcase in today's live show. So comment me how is the collection. So this is the silver color saree, very light silver color saree. All over body thread weaving, floral zal. And these florals are highlighted with stones, both gold and silver stones. And that's the tissue border. Pallu, same like sari, tissue pallu with stone florals. So here is the blouse, tissue blouse with stone works for hands. So let's check pricing details of the sari. Very beautiful lightweight sarees. Sari code BX194, actual price 3,550, offer price 2,490 only. So very lovely collection we are covering today. All mixed fancy sarees. So this is the Banarasi tissue saree with thread work. So let me showcase another crepe chiffon saree with sequins work. So here comes crepe chiffon saree with sequins work with a different pattern. So white and red color all over body cross checks. It's a cross lines with sequins work running throughout the saree, and that's the piping border, contrast piping border, very cute and pretty. Pallu, same like saree with this piping border running around the pallu. That's the pallu. So let's check blouse for this. So this is the blouse design. It's a contrast blouse with sequins work. The sequins work running around the neck. So this is the blouse. The sari code is BV235. Actual price 2,650. Offer price 1,860 only. So let's move on to the next beautiful color in the same pattern. So here comes white and pink color, all of our favorite, right? So this is also a crepe chiffon saree with sequins work. All over the body cross lines in pink and sequins work running or implemented throughout the body. And that's the contrast piping border. Pallu, same like saree with sequins work and also that piping border running around it, and also nice finishing with tassels. Let's check blouse for this. So here is the blouse. It's a contrast blouse with sequins work running around the neck. So when you stitch this blouse, it looks so heavy. So it's a party wearing saree. Saree code, it's a BV236. Actual price 2,650. Offer price 1,860. So moving on to the next saree. So in all mixed sarees, here comes Paithani Pattu sarees. So pink color Paithani Pattu saree, so beautiful. All over body zari polka dots. And that's the border, Paithani border. On our zari woven, we have got floral zal and also heavy temples on this edge. And here comes the pallu, Paithani pallu, heavy zari woven pallu, and also cute finishing with tassels in the edge. That's the pallu, very rich looking pallu. So here comes the blouse. So this is the self plate blouse along with this zari border. You can get this border for hands. or else you can customize this in your own style. The sari code is sari code CA346, actual price 3,300, offer price 2,310 only. So moving on to the next Paithani Pattu sari. So very soft fabric only, very rich looking saris. So this is the bottle green color sari, Paithani Pattu sari, very beautiful and rich kada. All over body we have got polka dots in gold zari. And this the Paithani border, self color border on a gold zari woven. We have got floral zal and also cute temples here. Pallu, Paithani pallu, heavy and rich looking Paithani pallu, and also nice finishing with this tassels for the pallu. So let's check blouse for this sari. So here is the blouse, self plain blouse. We have got this zari border also for the blouse. You can customize this for hands. So here is the sari code, it's the CA345, actual price 3,300, offer price 2,310 only. So moving on to the next Paithani Pattu sari. So we have seen pink color, purple color and bottle green color. So this is all of our favorite stunning black color in Paithani Pattu sari. So lovely coin booties in gold zari running throughout the sari. So most of the viewers asking for black saris in Pattu sari. So this is for you beautifuls. That's the Paithani border, very huge medium Paithani border on a gold zari woven. We have got this multi florals and also temples design on this edge. Let's check pallu. Paithani pallu, heavy zari woven pallu, very rich looking. So let me showcase blouse for this. It's a self plain blouse along with this zari border. That's the blouse design. So this is the blouse design exactly. So let's check pricing details. Sari code it's CA350, actual price 3,300, off price 2,310 only. Very reasonable price, beautifuls. Welcome to Kalamandir. So by the way, how is the collection? So here is one more peacock blue and green mixed shade. Very lovely shade in Paithani Pattu sari. The pattern is same. All over body we have got polka dots in gold zari. It's so beautiful. And that's the Paithani border in gold zari. On a zari woven we have got a multi color floral zal and also cute temples running on this edge. Pallu. Paithani pallu on a heavy zari woven we have got a multi color floral zal. And also nice finishing with tassels for this pallu. So let's check blouse for this sari. So it's a self color blouse, plain one along with this zari border. So moving on to the next sari, this sari code and pricing details. Sari code it's a CA349. Actual price 3,300, offer price 2,310 only. So moving on to the next Paithani sari. So Niti Mehra garu, beautiful collection saying thank you Mehra. And today our collection is all mixed fancy sari collection. So we have covered crepe saris, crepe chiffon with sequin saris, Banarasi tissue saris. Now I am showcasing Paithani Pattu saris. So we have covered a lot of colors in this pattern. So here is the navy blue color, very bright color. All over body coin booties in gold zari running throughout the sari. And that's the Paithani border with temples on a zari woven background, this multicolor florals. pallu, paitani pallu with zari woven background and also florals, and very nice finishing with tassels. So here comes the blouse. It's a self plain blouse along with border. So how is the collection? Beautiful. So pretty collection. Comment to me which is your favorite one. So which one you want to show me. The sari code is CA348. Actual price 3,300. Offer price 2,310 only. So Satish Patil garu, welcome to Kala Mandir, saying Khub Sundar Saria. Thank you so much for your compliment, Satish garu. Keep shopping with Kala Mandir. And today our collection is all mixed fancy sarees. We'll be getting into further sarees. Before that, have a look at this video which explains how to follow Kala Mandir on our social media platforms. Meanwhile, I'll take a short break and we'll be back soon.
హలో హాయ్ నమస్తే, నేను మీ హరిత జాకి. ఈరోజు కళామందిర్ లైవ్ షోలో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశాను. సో నేను బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీస్ చూశాను. అంతకంటే మంచి విషయం ఏంటంటే బడ్జెట్ ఫ్రెండ్లీ, చాలా మంచి అంటే తక్కువ బడ్జెట్లో బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీస్ ఇక్కడ అవైలబుల్గా ఉన్నాయి. డైలీ లైవ్ షోస్ జరుగుతాయి. అందులో ఫేస్బుక్లో కళామందిర్ అండ్ ఆన్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ కళామందిర్ ఫ్యాషన్స్. డూ ఫాలో అండ్ ఎంజాయ్.
Welcome back, pretty ladies. Here I am with one more collection in our today's all mixed fancy sarees. So this is organza saree with thread weaving. Yellow and pink color combination organza thread work saree. All over body we have got this motifs and also thread weaving, floral and paisley style. So Manjusha garu, welcome to Kala Mandir. You're asking for orange color. So we are here with a beautiful and bright orange color combination. All over body we have got this thread weaving, floral and paisley style, and also polka dots on that edge. You can see polka dots here for the saree body design. And let's check the border. It's a contrast medium border with a lot of patterns with zari. Florals, khadi, floral zal pattern, again the khadi and brocade design. Leaf zal running on this edge. That's a contrast border. Pallu, contrast zari woven pallu. That's the tissue pallu. So let's check blouse for this beautiful saree. It's a contrast blouse, organza blouse with this polka dots in zari on the body of the blouse and the same border for the blouse. Very beautiful blouse design, right? Lovely combination, light orange and pink. This saree code BI601. Actual price 3,200 and offer price 2,240 only. So Sri Lakshmi garu, welcome to Kala Mandir. So today our collection is all mixed fancy sarees. So how is the collection, Andy? So comment to me which color you want me to show. So one more organza threadwork saree with a lovely color, perfect traditional one which never goes out of style. Parrot green and pink color combination, all over body thread weaving, floral zal and also paisleys. And on the body of this saree we have got two designs. So here you can see plain, on this plain we have got only polka dots in this side, and on this side we have got polka dots and also thread weaving zal. And this is the border, contrast border, medium border with a lot of patterns in zari. It's a diamond brocade, floral zal and diamond brocade again, leaf zal here. Let's check pallu. Zari tissue pallu. So here is the blouse. It's a contrast blouse with polka dots and also this khadi border, zari border. So you can customize this in your own style. So let me showcase saree code and pricing details. Saree code, it's BI600. Actual price 3,200 and offer price 2,240 only. So to purchase this beautiful sari, just take a screenshot along with the code and share us on the number 9852 985299. So very lovely collection indeed. Today we are showcasing all mixed fancy saris. Till now we have covered crepe saris with stonework, Banarasi tissue saris with threadwork, organza saris with threadwork, and also chiffon crepe saris with sequence work. So 4 different kind of fabrics. And now I'm going to showcase organza sari again with kanchi tissue border. Very beautiful, na? It's a grey and gold mix sari. So all over body we have got very huge floral zal in multicolors. And that's the medium contrast border with floral zal, with huge floral zal and also diamond kadi. It's a diamond brocade design where florals aligned in diamonds and leaves all running on this edge. This is a beautiful body design. So pallu, zari woven tissue pallu. So let's check blouse for this. It's a little contrast blouse. We have got pink shade for the blouse. It's a plain one along with this zari border. That's the blouse design for the sari. This sari code is BX514, actual price 4,350, offer price 3,050 only. So to purchase this beautiful sari, just take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852 985299. Hello Jyoti Garu, welcome to Kala Mandir. So today our collection is all mixed fancy saris. Keep shopping with Kala Mandir. And moving on to the next sari. So Rashmi Garu, good evening. Welcome to Kala Mandir live show. So enjoy today's all mixed fancy sari collection at flat 30%. This offer is valid for 24 hours only, and that too applicable to online viewers only. And don't worry if you missed this live video. The same video is available on our IGTV Instagram and also on Facebook and YouTube. You just follow there and grab your favorite sari within 24 hours. That is 30% of discount. And for more collections, you can also follow us on our digital media platforms. Our Instagram ID is Kala Mandir Fashions. For Facebook, it is Kala Mandir. And for YouTube, it is Kala Mandir. Please subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon to be getting notified whenever we upload our new videos with our new arrivals. Yes, let's get into this sari. This is a chiffon sari with Parsi thread work. This is also a different collection. It's a grey color sari. All over body multicolor floral zal. Very beautiful. And here half for the body. They left it plain. And this the stone work border, and also we have got self color piping border. Pallu, same like sari, we have got heavy floral zal and the stonework border running around the pallu. Very beautiful pallu design. So let's check blouse for this chiffon sari. So here is the blouse. It's a self plain color blouse and we have got the stonework border for hands. So you can customize this in your own style. Let me showcase cost and code details. Sari code is BW392. Actual price is 3,400. Offer price is 2,380 only. So Shravan Bandlamuri Garu, welcome to Kala Mandir. So we are showcasing all mixed fancy saris today. And Shamim Garu asking what is the price of the sari or way. You just sent a message on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Our customer support team will get back to you, Shamim Garu, and they will let you know the sari code details and also pricing details. And Deepa Nabhat Garu, hi Deepa Garu, welcome to Kala Mandir. So today our collection is all mixed fancy saris. Wow, very beautiful light sea green color shade. This is a Banarasi Kora sari. All over body we have got floral booties in gold zari. And that's the border with florals all in gold zari and also leaf motifs on this edge, diamond florals on that edge. That's the body design. Pallu, zari woven pallu, self color with floral booties and also zari stripes on this edge of the pallu. So let's check blouse for the sari. It's a self color blouse with coin booties in gold zari, also with this contrast zari stripes border. Very different combination, right? This is the Banarasi Kora sari. Sari code it's CA324. Actual price 3,100. Offer price 2,170 only. Very beautiful sea green shade, Andy. So let me showcase few more colors in Banarasi Kora saris. So welcome Praveen Garu. Hi, good evening. Good evening Praveen Garu. Welcome to Kalamandir live show. And Shamala Garu saying super. Thank you Shamala Garu. So whatever the assistance you need, you just send a WhatsApp message on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Our customer support team is always available to you to assist you for your queries and for any issues also. Yes. Bande Gurappa Garu, reasonable prices. Yes, Andy, there is a very reasonable prices with awesome quality. I'm pretty sure order one sari. If you see the sari quality outside, you just love it. I'm pretty sure. And moving on to the next sari. And today, our collection is all mixed fancy saris. Till now, we have covered crepe saris with stone work. So, crepe chiffon saris with sequins work. And also Banarasi Kora saris, Banarasi tissue saris with thread weaving work, organza saris with thread weaving work. So these are the fabrics we have covered today. So here is Banarasi Kora sari in navy blue color. All over body we have got floral booties in gold zari. And in the middle you can see with silver zari they have highlighted the booty. And let's check border for the sari. It's a floral zal in gold zari and also leaf zal. Diamond and floral brocade combination here. That's the beautiful one. So pallu, contrast pallu with heavy zari woven diamond brocade pallu. So here is the blouse with diamond weaving in gold zari along with this zari border. Let's check pricing details of the sari. Sari code it's a CA325. Actual price 3,100. Offer price 2,170 only. So Deepa Garu asking for the sari price and details of the sari which I have draped now. The price of this sari is, this is a crepe sari with stone work and sari code is CA336 and price 2,280. That is the final price after 30% of discount, that is 2,280. So just take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299 along with the code. Yes. Shobha Garu asking, can you show dress material? Yes, Sandy. In our previous live shows, we have covered dress materials also. Definitely, we are going to cover in future as well. Keep follow our live shows for dress materials also and for beautiful saris also. Yes. Moving on to the next Banarasi Kora sari here. Wow, very divine color, wine color. Pretty color, magenta color. All over body we have got floral booties in gold and silver zari combination running throughout the sari. That's the border, half with floral zal, half with this diamonds and florals. Pallu contrast with heavy zari woven floral brocade. Very beautiful pallu design. It's a Banarasi Kora sari, very lightweight sari and very flexible when you wear it. So here is the blouse with diamond booties in gold zari, self color blouse along with this zari stripes border. This is the blouse design exactly. And here comes the sari code. It's a CA330. Actual price 3,100 and offer price 2,170. Hello Batsika Milwala. Welcome to Kalamandir live show. Today our collection is all mixed fancy saris. Yes. So this is also a Banarasi Kora sari with a very light sea green shade, very different. All over body we have got this geometric design with floral booties aligned in that. That's the body design. Border, self color border with brocade design and also this cross kadi and temples design running on this edge. Let's check pallu. Wow, heavy zari woven pallu. It's a diamond brocade pallu. So this sari paired up with a self color blouse with gold zari floral booties along with this zari border for hands. So you can customize this in your own style otherwise. So that's the beautiful and pleasant sea green shade. Let's check pricing and code details of the sari. Sari code it is CA335. Actual price 3,100. Offer price is 2,170 only. So to purchase this beautiful sari, just take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. That's so simple way, right? And beautiful for more collections, you can also visit our stores which are located in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. So here is the same pattern, Banarasi Kora sari with one more color. Very light green color. It's a pista green and parrot green mixed shade. All over body geometric floral design in gold zari. And that's the border with brocade design and also cross kadi and also with this temples design. And that's the pallu with heavy zari diamond brocade design. Let's check blouse for the sari. So it's a self color blouse with floral booties in gold zari along with this border for hands. So that's the blouse design. So let's check sari code and pricing. Code is CA328. Actual price 3,100. Offer price 2,170 only. So Deepa Nabhat saying nice collection. Thank you dear. So today collection is very lovely.